Hi guys, so we got 2 dumplings. Make this quick. Glitter one. This one. Let's put that aside. Now we got this one. Let's open it. Close your eyes. Holographic. No. Taba. Taba one. I'm gonna buy. Yeah, but this is the Taba one. Who wants to play with it?
Okay.
Now we're gonna go open this one.
Das ist I can play with it.
I really want the glitter one, or I really want the glitter one, or I want the pink, no, the red or green. Nee, glitter or pink. Can you see it's a glitter green? Bye.